Hey guys, welcome back for another nail tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how I created this full bloom design. I created it using one of my fall favorites, and it's OPI Grabs the Unicorn by the Horn. I'm also using my boyfriend's Scales Walls. It's a beautiful cool toned white, and then Somewhere Over the Rainbow Mountains, and then Freedom of Peach, Shh, it's Top Secret, and then this Good Girls Gone Plaid from their newest fall collection, and then Como Se Llama. So I have 2 coats of the blue polish on all my nails except for my ring finger, which I have 2 coats of my boyfriend's Scales Walls. And this really goes nicely with the blue because it is a little bit more blue tone, so that's why I use that one. And I'm just coming in with my Winstonia brush, and I'm going to use the brown, it's Top Secret. That name is so weird to say. But I'm just going to do these little branches coming off, and I do want them to be a little bit squiggly. One I know ahead of time I'm going to have for that blue flower, and then the other one I know I'm going to have those little red flowers coming off of them. So once I have that the way I like it, I'll wash my brush in some acetone and then come in with the next color. And I'm using Freedom of Peach here to get this nice little pop of orange, which I think goes really nice with the blue. And I'm just going to do these little leaves coming in together because at the end I'm going to eventually add a little stem to bring them together. So you're going to do about 5 petals or so. You want to make sure that you're kind of curving with the direction of your nail. So these are going to curve kind of up and then toward the center a little bit. And then I'm going to come in and do that little stem in the middle. After I'm done with that, I'm coming in with my mauve color. I got this a little bit too thick, but that's okay. I'm just going to spread this out, and I want to do just like a round flower here at the base. And then when I'm done with that and I get it all smoothed out, I'm going to come in with my brush and clean up any spots that I need to. And then I'm going to come in with my blue. Of course, I need to use that blue because I'm coordinating it with the blue color. So I'm going to come in and do this little flower that looks like it's kind of blowing a little bit in the wind. And then I'm going to come in with the red and do these little flower dots here. And some I do not at the edge of the little branch, but just randomly polka dots. And now I'm coming in with Good Girls Gone Plaid. I'm going to do these big leaf shapes, one a little bit smaller than the other one coming off the side of this branch here. And then we use that same color to do the center of this flower. And I came back and shaped this a little bit more of the way that I wanted it. It was a little bit flat, so I added a little bit more roundness to the top here. And then I decided those little leaves on the side needed a little bit of detail and dimension, so I added some of that color on top. So I did leave the base color, that dark of the flower, a little bit thicker so that I could come in here and try to streak it with my top coat. And as you can see here, I got a good streak on that side. I tried to get another one on that side, but it didn't streak as much. But I do love that effect. So I'm using Glisten and Glow top coat. It's my favorite top coat. And then that's my final design. Let me know if you guys like this video by giving it a thumbs up, and I appreciate your support, and I'll see you later. Bye.